Habits are important because they promote efficiency, consistency, and goal achievement. But bad habits have the potential to ruin our lives by undermining our well-being and hindering personal growth. They can lead to negative consequences, such as poor physical health, strained relationships, diminished productivity, and a decline in mental and emotional well-being. In this video, I will tell you about 5 bad habits that you should avoid as much as possible. 1. Betting. We all love to watch sport matches. This is what unites people, giving incredible emotions. But behind this lies a very bad business. I'm talking about betting and stakes. A lot of guys really think that they can raise easy cash with successful sport analytics, but remember, in the end, there will be only one side to win. These are the betting sites. My advice to you is never bet. It can lead to depression and even total bankruptcy. You must build your business, practice own profession, and not be fooled by empty ads of different ways to get quick money. Stakes is a devilish thing. Yes, with betting you can triple your bank and it will seem to you that you are in chocolate. But in fact, this is a false impression. After a while you will still come back to it, and this time you will lose more. There is no quick money. Betting business and sports analytics is a big scam. Understand it. 2. Alcohol. I have a more negative attitude to drinking alcohol, and it doesn't matter to me at all what anyone says. I can drink a couple of glasses of good wine during the celebrations and no more. But in general terms, alcohol slowly kills you if you overuse it. The terrible mortality statistics speak for themselves, but even discarding these facts, alcohol has a very big impact on your psyche. Drinking turns you into a zombie, and you are not able to control your life. I won't demonize it too much, but it's still possible to have a varied, fun lifestyle without drinking alcohol. You're in a very bad position if you have to get drunk to be chilly. Try to minimize everything over time, even beer, then your life will get better. Being sober is the key to health and happiness. 3. Laziness. How many projects could you complete if not lazy? Yes, I also sometimes force myself to do something about it. I do not call you to uncontrolled work without quality rest. It just often happens that it is laziness and unwillingness to leave the comfort zone that takes possession of us. You could cook yourself a healthy dish for dinner, but on the one hand you think, why, when you can order some food quickly? It is at times like these that you try to stifle your excuses for lack of time and energy, and in many areas you will succeed. Especially us men need to be always in good shape. Take care of your laziness. Enter a sleep and rest diary to clearly understand the numbers on how many hours you are wasting. 4. Social networks. And here I smoothly bring to the topic of social networks. Actually, I will release a separate video about this because I cannot fully fit what I want to say. I note that in themselves, social networks are not something bad. You just need to control it and know that real life is more important. How many times have you seen stories on Instagram of supposedly super successful guys? I think a lot. So this leads to the FOMO syndrome, fear of missing out. Realize that your path to success is completely unique, and don't forget to be grateful. Most of the planet does not have access to clear drink water, let alone a network. Therefore, in this regard, you are already rich. In social networks, people like to show the glossy lifestyle without flaws, so don't get fooled by it. Uncontrolled scrolling of TikTok will not lead to anything. It's better to use social networks as an additional tool for introducing your blog, increasing customers and sales. Do not watch the lives of others, rather live right now. 5. Rush buying. I admit this bad habit sometimes exists with me. There was a time when I was playing basketball. I bought several pairs of Jordans at once, and it seemed to me that I really needed it. As a result, many pairs I wore only a couple of times, but I spent hundreds of bucks. Save money if it possible. I'm not telling you to be stingy, just control your purchases. This is especially true during the discount season. It's better to buy one high-quality sweater than to buy some rubbish every month, and this principle should follow you everywhere. Be thoughtful in your purchases. Always study the product you need, and finally, seriously consider whether you need it or not. This is where financial literacy starts. In almost every video, I encourage you to collect a basic high-quality wardrobe. Don't waste money on trends and logos. Beware of all this.